Hello, everyone. On behalf of the North American Institute of Orthopedic Manual Therapy, I would like to take the time as the fellowship director to say thank you. Whatever your role may be within the fellowship, we want you to know that you have been handpicked by specialists in your area to become part of this fellowship program. Fellows in training, welcome. Thank you for choosing the NIAMT path to orthopedic manual physical therapy excellence. We are well aware that life pulls you in a million different directions, and we really understand the sacrifices that each one of you have made to embark on such an elite status. Whether you are here to hone your orthopedic manual physical therapy skills, or you are here to become a clinical fellowship instructor to impact other fellows in training, we trust that your time in our fellowship program will help you become one of the best orthopedic manual physical therapists in the world. We are pleased to announce that all of the fellowship forms are now in an electronic format to access through your PC, your notebook, and even your smartphone. We are asking that you take the time to listen to the step-by-step tutorial on how to complete the forms so that when you hit submit, it is directed to where it needs to go for signatures or review. Eventually, all of the forms will reside automatically in Box. The fellowship team will then review these forms that have been uploaded to Box automatically and put them into your personal Box folder where they will stay safely for the rest of your time within the fellowship. So without further ado, we are going to have you guys join us on your computers, your PCs, or your smartphones and walk through the forms step by step. See you then.